So I'm Dr. Hannah Newton. I'm a research associate in the Lancaster Environment Centre. So that's in the Faculty of Science and Technology. And my background, all my research is all on air quality, both outdoor and indoor. I've done historically quite a lot of outdoor air quality stuff, but now I've moved more to indoor. But I'll just tell you about the outdoor air quality stuff because it was quite exciting. Got to do a lot of research in the tropics, looking at the emissions you get from rainforests and from oil palm plantations, and also the coastlines, the coastal areas specifically of Borneo. So it's an island in Southeast Asia. It's where the orangutans live. So we got to do a lot of stuff there. It was really interesting because you got to see the effects of rapid land use change in the tropics, and it's something, we hear about every now and then on the news, but, to see it and to see the impact that has on air quality, particularly when you're felling the rainforest and you're just planting, as far as the eye can see of oil palm plantations, the impact that scale has on the air quality is quite astounding. So that was really exciting, and that was a project actually headed up by Lancaster Environment Centre. So in the indoor air quality research that I'm currently conducting, really exciting project that I'm involved in as a sort of advisor for this little sensor that we're trying to make, us and a lot of engineering companies throughout Europe. And my role is sort of to say, we need to look at these chemicals, we need to look at them at this sort of level because these are the levels that impact on our health, and we need to look at them this frequently because that's sort of a factor of our exposure, how often, we need to take these measurements for it to be deemed safe. So this is what we're trying to do at the moment. And it's really important because since double glazing and sealed buildings, they've become much more climate controlled. So the impact of your indoor environment on you has become greater. So, and also the marketing drive for things like, redecorating all the time, new kitchens, new furnishings, all of these things have a kind of chemical signal that comes with them. So like the chair I'm sitting on will have been treated with flame retardants, and they all emit out into our indoor atmosphere. And the air quality impact of that needs to be quantified and measured and checked that it's a safe thing for us. So there's been loads of legislation on outdoor air regulation, but not nearly enough on indoor air quality. In terms of guidelines and regulations, there's not much. But it's really, really exciting because hopefully we'll be able to contribute to this field.